Hi everybody, we are going to move on to doing multiplication today. We are doing 2-digit numbers to begin with, multiplied by 2-digit numbers. And then we'll move on to do a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, and then we'll give 4-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers a go. So we're not going to stop and ask you to do separate questions. You can pause if you want and work out alongside us and then play on. So we're going to start with 76 multiplied by 22. So I'm going to do thousands, hundreds, it doesn't matter if you don't, tens and ones. 76 multiplied by, or times by, however you want to say it, 22. I'm going to leave 2 spaces because I'm going to times by my ones and my tens. Well, I'm not going to actually, Miss Bates, you're going to leave 2 spaces, aren't you?
I am.
So, Miss Bates, do you want to go first? You're going to use a slightly longer method with different steps.
So first of all, I'm going to do 2 times 6. I'm going to write this here to remind myself. So 2 times 6, 6, 12. And I'm going to do 2 times 7. Or is it just 7? It's 2 times 70. But I know 2 times 7 is 14. And 14 times the 10 is 140. And then going to times my 20. So I'm going to do 20 times 6. Again, I know 6 times 2 is 12. Multiply it by the 10 is 120. Okay, and then the final multiplication I need to do is 20 times 70. So 20 times by 70. I know 2 times 7 is 14. Then I need to multiply it by 100. Okay, so 14 times by 100 is 1,400. And then my next step is to add it all together. 2 add 0 add 0 add 0 is 2. 1 add 4 add 2. Add 0 for 4, 5, 6, 7, add 0. 4, add 1, so 4, 5, 6, 1, nothing. So 1. We should have 1,672. Let's see if you get the same answer.
Okay, so we're going to do 2 times 6. I know 2 lots of 6, or 6 lots of 2 is 12. So just like the column method of addition and subtraction, we've got to exchange, or we're carrying over in this case, our 10. So 12, 1, 10, 2 ones. Now it's going to be 2 times 70. 2 7s are 14. And we're adding on this one, 15, but it's 15 tens. So that becomes 152. Now we're multiplying by 20, so we're doing a placeholder. A 0 is a placeholder to make everything 10 times larger. We're going to do 20 times by 6, so 2 6s are 12. And we're going to put our 1 up here, because that's our 1 and 110. And well, it's becoming 100 now, because it's 10 times bigger, and our 2 10s. And then we're going to do 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14, but remember we put this 100 here, so 14, 15. Now we're adding these together. 2 add 0 is 2, 5 add 2 is 7, 1 add 5 is 6, 1,000 add nothing is 1,000. So I've got the answer 1,672.
Yay!
The next one that we're going to do is going to be slightly more long, well, slightly longer, and a little bit tricky. Bear with us if we go wrong. The next question is going to be 248 multiplied by 34. So 248 times by 34. You can pause and have a go if you want.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with my ones column again. So I'm going to do 4 times 8. 8, 16, 24, 32. Then I'm going to do 4 times 40. I might run out of board for this question. So 4 times 4 is 16, multiplied by the 10 is 160. It's going 10 times bigger. Then I'm doing 4 times 200. 4 times 2 is 8, multiplied by 100 becomes 800. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to multiplying by my 30. So I'm doing 30 times by 8 to start off with. 8 times 3 is 24, multiplied by the 10 is 240. And I'm doing 30 times by 40. 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply it by the 100 is 1,200. Okay, and then finally 30 times by 200. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6, and this time I'm multiplying by 1,000 because I've got the 3 zeros, so I'm multiplying it by 1,000. So 6 times by 1,000 is 6,000. And then I need to add it all up, all together. 2 and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is 2. Got to do 3 add 6 and 0 add 4 and 0 add 0. 6 add 4 I know is 10. So 10 add 3 is 13. And I've got to do 1 add 8 add 2 add 2. 8 and 2 is 10. Add 2 is 12. Add 1 is 13. Then I've got my 14. 6 add 1,000 add 1,000. 6, 7, 8,432.
4 times 8 is 32. 3 up here, 32. 4 4s are 16. Add the 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. 4 2s are 8. Add the 1, 9. Now I've got a 0 as a placeholder because we're timesing by 30. So I'm going to say times by 3 instead of times by 30. 3 8s are 24. So I'm going to put the 2 there instead, 24. 3 4s are 12. 12, 13, 14. 3 2s are 6. Add on that 1, 7. I'm going to add these steps together. There was timesing by the 1s and there was timesing by the 10s. 2 add 0, 2. 9 add 4 is 13. I'm going to do that. Put the 1 down there, 13. And then we're moving on to here. 9 add 4 is 13, but we've got to add on that 1. That's 14. 7 add 1 is 8. So it becomes 8,432, which is the same as Miss Bates. Next question.
We're getting good at this, Miss Ellison, aren't we?
After I made a small mistake for the last one. Next question we're going to do is going to be a 4-digit number multiplied by a 2-digit number, and we're not going to